Flash and fire point test. Now the main objective of flash and fire point test is to check the temperature at which the bitumen momentarily catches fire. Now from the theory point of view, we can define flash point as the material flash point of a material as the lowest temperature at which the application of test flame causes the vapors from the material to momentarily catch fire in the form of a flash under specified conditions of test. And fire point is the lowest temperature at which the application of test flame causes the material to ignite or burn for a minimum of 5 seconds under specified conditions. Now, the apparatus that are required in this experiment are Penske-Martin apparatus, and will be requiring a thermometer. Now we can see this is the Penske-Martin apparatus. So we are heating the bitumen here, and after that what we will do is now we'll be testing for flash and fire point. So we'll light a piece of and then we'll just check it out whether it is having some flash or not. As you can see in the bitumen, it is slightly catching flashes. There are certain small amount of flashes in the bitumen. As you can see here, the bitumen will be having certain small flashes. Here we can see that it is having a little amount of flashes are there in the sample. If we check the temperature using a thermometer of the bitumen, we'll find it out that the temperature at which it momentarily catches fire, this temperature will be given as. Now in the Penske-Martin apparatus, we can see that the temperature is 65 degrees Celsius. This temperature is known as flash point. Now we'll be finding out the firing point, and so we'll be heating it again, and so that we can find out the fire point temperature at which the sample catches fire. After heating for another few times, now we'll be determining the fire point. You can see it is catching fire momentarily. The bitumen is momentarily catching fire. You remove it, and you can see it is catching fire. Now we'll eventually measure the temperature, and this temperature will be known as the fire point, where the bitumen actually catches fire. So now we'll check the temperature of the bitumen. In this thermometer we are checking the temperature of the bitumen. The temperature of the bitumen is 100 degrees Celsius. So this is how we'll be doing the Penske flash and fire point determination with the help of Penske-Martin apparatus, and we'll be using a thermometer to determine the temperature at which the bitumen momentarily catches fire, and after that it catches fire completely. So these two is known as the flash and fire point. So now for flash point, the temperature was 65 degrees centigrade, and for fire point the temperature is 100 degrees centigrade. Thank you very much.